Today I'm gonna show you double exposure effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go to the timeline. Here is the two video layer. First one, a natural background, and second, a human. She take a picture. Then I'm gonna play the video. I will go to lower tree color. Make sure your background is properly white. Decrease the saturation and increase the exposure. Then we will go to effect control. Go to opacity blending mode and choose the screen background. See, the background has changed. You can change it to whatever you like. Lighting. I think lighting is much better. Next we will learn to another effect. Here is a two layer. First one, a cloudy layer. Then I will go to effect. Then search invert and leave it the top of layer. Look, the background has changed the white color. Then I will go to effect control and change the blending mode screen and play the video. Thank you guys for watching the video.